Hello all and welcome to another video. Time of making this video is 5:03 in the afternoon on Sunday the 11th of May 2025. I'm DJ's Official UK if you watch us over on Rumble, DJ's Videos and Shorts over on YouTube. In today's video I'm going to be talking about could we ever see bigger jets, and I mean bigger aeroplanes, flying into Gibraltar Airport in the future. Now, currently at the moment, within the UK, we can't. You don't see many like bigger planes flying into Gibraltar, and the size planes you see mostly are the A319s, the A320s, and the A321s. I think A321s do fly there every now and again, but yeah, you don't see them very, very often. You only see the A319s or the A320s, either with BA, Easyjet, or BA and Easyjet. I think they're the only two planes companies that actually fly out there. So yeah, could we ever see, the question is, could we ever see like bigger jets fly out to this airport in the future? Like 757's, 737's. I mean, 737's can fly out there now on the runway they've got there, but they don't really use them very often. They only use like private jets land there every now and again, but they never have like full on like they never. I've never seen, as far as I know, on a video a 737 land there. So is it possible we could see a 737 in the future land there, and maybe have loads of them in the fleet land there? Is it possible we may see bigger jets like a 787 one day, or a 757 or an A321 more? Let me know in the comment section below. We'd like to see your feedback and opinions. Especially now the population is growing in Gibraltar. They are building and constructing at the moment. I've suggested ideas about maybe there could be more tourist attractions out there, more things to do. Maybe an amusement park or a water park would bring in more tourism to the area, to this travel destination, so that people can experience both a water park, a theme park, amusement park, experience the resorts that are there, like the bays, and then also experience Gibraltar town centre or city centre, and also history attractions all on the rock. But let me know in the comment section below. Have you ever been to Gibraltar? Would you ever go to Gibraltar? I'd love to go to Gibraltar. I've never been in my life, and I would like to go one day. I have watched vlogs of Gibraltar in the past with from Walk With Me Tim and Gaby Starbuck. I'll put those in the link in the description below, so you check those, so you can check those both of them vlogs out. So yeah, let me know in the comment section below. Do you think we'll ever see big jets flying in out of here one day? Especially if they extend the runway bigger and maybe even make a put maybe a taxiway in, or you know, if they put in like a longer taxiway or something. Let me know in the comment section below. Do you think it's likely, very unlikely, or do you think we'll never ever see something like it, and that will be the airport, and that is it? But let me know in the comment section below what you think will happen. Do you think we will get, like I say, big jets, or do you think we will have the jets that we have always there at the moment? Do you think we might even see more airplane companies come in, like Ryanair? Do you think we might see TUI start going from there in the future? Do you think we might see other European flight plane companies coming in, like Eurowings? We might see TUI from another from abroad. Do you think there's a chance we might see other planes coming from different parts of the world, maybe America coming in there? Let me know in the comment section below. I'd like to see your feedback and opinions. Thank you very much for watching. If you did enjoy this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, turn on your notifications via the bell below, and please share this video to one of my other videos owned by family, friends, travel tourism and theme park enthusiasts. If you watch this over on Rumble, don't forget to like or dislike via the thumbs below. Comment below any opinions and feedback. Don't forget to follow to support, and then share this video as one of my other videos owned by family, friends, travel tourism and theme park enthusiasts. I've been DJ's Official UK over on Rumble, DJ's Videos and Shorts over on YouTube. Thank you very much for watching. This was only a quick video. Cheerio.